But now what they are is palace-controlled terrorists. And I understand after John Claude left that they showed their true colors and went around killing and beating people. That's not what they were trained for, but that's obviously what they're used for now.
After Baby Doc left, one of the first U.S. aid shipments was new riot gear. The heavy arms started flowing 15 years ago through Aerotrade.
What kinds of equipment were you bringing in?
Fully automatic weapons, thousands and thousands of rounds of ammunition, helmets, uniforms, 30 caliber machine guns, 50 caliber machine guns, 20 millimeter rapid fire cannons. We gave them all of this. Well, they didn't even have toothbrushes or shaving equipment or underwear or anything else.
The CIA knew you were doing it, and Washington wouldn't give you any trouble about shipping in all those arms to Haiti.
No. What were they going to do with it? The Haitians. They weren't going to attack anybody. Supposedly that stuff was for these so-called threats of invasion, which was ridiculous. But to any nation like that, they're toys. Unfortunately, the so-called toys that we sent and trained the leopards with were used against the people.
He was going to buy something to bring to the kids. But when he get there, on the street, an army guy called him and tell him to come over. He told him, walk. Army car, hold up him, they beat him up. So that's a regular army. Leopard.
Really been the most